Here's how to make these beautiful upside down leek tarts. British Leek have asked me to create a leek recipe where leeks are the star of the show, and I thought what better than an upside down leek tart because of that beautiful pattern created by all of these incredible leaves. So all you do, place your leeks onto your tray and then trace around them, and then within each outline drizzle plenty of olive oil, honey, which is going to help with the caramelization, salt and pepper, and I'm using sage leaves. You could use any herbs. Thyme will be delicious too. I've placed 6 sage leaves per tart in order to indicate the slices. Grate a little bit of lemon zest, then lay your leeks back in within their outlines, making sure that you have a dark green top next to a light bottom. Then loads more seasoning. There really is a lesson in seasoning because at the end of the day, it's so simple. It's got to taste good. Then top with cottage cheese and 3 strips of pastry. I'm using store-bought puff pastry, faux pas, but I just thought on this occasion it made sense. You can, of course, make your own. I've included a recipe for rough puff too. I'm going to give them an egg wash or egg glaze. And here's a little bit extra to make sure you get an incredible caramelized finish on the tart. Place the tray on the hob and cook it until it starts to bubble and caramelize. That's going to give it a head start before it goes into the oven at about 190 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes until it's puffed up and golden brown. Oh my gosh, it's golden. Look. Oh, that beautiful leek. And look, the cottage cheese has come through. Oh, wow. That's so much prettier than I could have hoped for. What an absolute winner. Really simple, easy to make, and it's an absolute showstopper.